Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today, I have a chair. And today, we're doing a Let's Talk / fidget spinner. Let's just get the fidget spinners out of the way because I've got some really serious topics to talk about. So, these two fidget spinners, wait, no, I forgot to tell you. So, I rate them on spin quality, design, and sound. Okay? So, these two get a 5 in design. Because they're just classic fidget spinners, but they're really small. They get a 3 in spin quality. And they get a 1 in sound. This, in my opinion, gets a 1 in design, a 1 in sound, and a 1 in spin quality. Okay, this one is absolutely awesome. So when you tap on it, it lights up when you tap on it. And it's by the same people who made the Zing balls. I don't know if you've heard of those. What else? I rate this one a 1 on sound, a 6 on spin quality, and a 10 on design. Okay. I rate the Lamborghini fidget spinner, a 10 on everything. Just because of how cool it is. I rate this a 10 on sound, a 9 on design, and 10 on spin quality. Okay, now my cash register up here. These things. This and this. Do you know what these are? Because if you know what either of these are, I would like to know. Just leave a comment. Okay, now this. See that? That's new, but first we need to do the let's talk about this thing that you guys and me should be very scared about. Project Zorgo YouTube hacker. I saw them. They commented on one of my videos. I deleted the comment for some reason. I deleted the comment because I thought they were a bot. But then later when I looked them up, well, they're not a bot. They're a hacker group. And now I'm scared because I don't want my channel to get hacked. I like the chair, but that's not going to get affected by the hacker group. I hope they don't steal my chair. And if they hack my channel, I'll lose all of it. Okay? I need this channel, I guess. I like making the YouTube videos, so Project Zorgo, if you're watching, I'm stopping you in every way. I will just stop you from hacking me or hacking anyone else because I don't like hackers. I don't like bots. I don't like fake accounts. I'm coming for you, Project Zorgo. I'm coming for you. I will find you and I will flag you. I will find you and I will flag you. That's the new I will find you meme. I will find you and I will flag you. But it's really important that we stay wary. So if you are not Project Zorro. I want you guys to go over to their channel and tell me if, like, there's anything that they plan on hacking. And, like, if they plan on hacking me, like, oh, you know channels thing? Normally it will pop up if you hack someone, I think, in the channels. So if my channel is hacked, I will appear in their channels. So I want you to go into their channels and see if I am hacked. If I'm not hacked, great. If I am hacked, it's bad. Because I don't want to be hacked. Okay, so my odds of being hacked are 1. What? Oh. So my odds are 6 to 6, 6, 1, 1, 4, 7, 8 to 1 against. So 6.66, 1, 4, 7, 8 to 1 against, and that is my chance of actually getting hacked. Because I'm not a famous channel. I don't have more than 100,000 subscribers. So no one's really going to want to hack my channel. So yeah, that's a good thing. Okay, now let's check out that thing behind me that you see. This is my Lego collection. Up here we got Yoda, Miles Morales Spider-Man, 2 Peter Parker Spider-Mans, 90s Spaceman, BB-8, 90s Boba Fett, a ninja, Star Wars assassin, I don't know his name, Red Arm C-3PO, Guido, Clone Trooper, Western Sheriff, Creeper, Clone Trooper, Commander Rex, I think that's his name, Finn, Stormtrooper, First Order Stormtrooper, Batgirl, Mothman, maybe? Vision, Deadpool, new Boba Fett, Darth Vader, Giant Man, Ultron Minion, Scarlet Witch, and what's this guy called again? R2-D2. So, I will see you guys later. Bye!